In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel n8n subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your n8n cloud workspace and what to expect during the cancellation process without any guesswork. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct n8n cloud workspace and that you have the right permissions. Typically, you'll need to be a workspace owner or have billing access to cancel a subscription. If you don't see the options I'm about to show, check with your workspace admin. Begin on your workspace's main area, often labeled Workflows. This is the familiar home screen where you manage automations. From here, look for the admin panel. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the top navigation or in a sidebar. Click it to open the administrative area for your workspace. This is where all organization level settings live, including usage, members, and billing. Inside the admin area, find and click Manage. Think of Manage as the central hub for workspace-wide settings. It consolidates controls you'll use less frequently, but they're crucial for subscription and account changes. Within Manage, open Billing. This section contains your current plan details, payment method, invoices, and subscription status. Take a moment to review your plan and renewal date so you know when changes will take effect. Now, locate the option that says Cancel Subscription. Click it. At this point, you may be prompted to confirm the cancellation and possibly select a reason. Read any notices carefully. They typically explain whether access continues until the end of your current billing period, what features might be limited after cancellation, and how your data is handled. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize. A few tips as you wrap up. If you need records for your finance team, download any invoices from the billing section before you finish. If you manage more than one workspace, double check that you're canceling the correct one. And if the cancel subscription option is invisible, it usually means you don't have the required permissions or the subscription is managed externally. Reach out to the workspace owner or n8n support for help. Once confirmed, you should receive an on-screen message and in many cases a confirmation email summarizing the change. Keep that for your records. You can return to the billing page anytime to verify that the status reflects the cancellation. That's it. You went from the Workflows home into the admin panel, opened Manage, navigated to billing, and completed the cancellation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel your n8n subscription quickly and confidently.